Welcome! If you love to travel but hate spending a fortune on airfare, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the best strategies for finding cheap flights. Whether you're planning a spontaneous getaway or a big family vacation, knowing how to score the lowest prices can make all the difference. In this video, we'll break down practical tips, reveal insider secrets, and show you how to use technology to your advantage. Let's get started on your journey to smarter, more affordable travel. One of the most effective ways to find cheap flights is to be flexible with your travel dates. Airfare prices can vary dramatically depending on the day of the week, time of year, and even the time of day. If your schedule allows, try searching for flights on different days or even months. Flying midweek, like on Tuesdays or Wednesdays, often yields better deals than weekends. By adjusting your travel dates, you open up a world of savings and increase your chances of snagging a bargain. Flight comparison websites are your best friends when searching for cheap airfare. Platforms like Skyscanner, Google Flights, and Kayak allow you to compare prices across multiple airlines and booking sites in seconds. These tools often feature flexible date searches and price alerts, helping you spot deals as soon as they appear. By using these comparison sites, you can quickly identify the cheapest options and make more informed decisions about when and where to book. Don't have time to constantly check flight prices? Set up fare alerts. Most flight comparison sites and airline websites let you create alerts for specific routes and dates. When prices drop, you'll get an instant notification, giving you the chance to book before fares rise again. This hands-off approach ensures you never miss out on a great deal, even if you're busy with work or life. It's a simple yet powerful way to stay ahead in the hunt for cheap flights. Timing is everything when it comes to booking flights. Generally, booking several weeks or even months in advance can help you secure lower fares, especially for popular destinations or peak travel seasons. Airlines often release their cheapest seats early, and as the flight fills up, prices tend to rise. However, booking too far ahead isn't always best aim for the sweet spot, usually 2 to 3 months before departure for domestic flights and 3 to 6 months for international trips. Sometimes, flying into or out of a nearby airport can save you a significant amount of money. Major cities often have multiple airports, and prices can vary widely between them. When searching for flights, check all airports within a reasonable distance from your origin and destination. You might find a much cheaper fare, just a short drive or train ride away. This small adjustment can lead to big savings, especially in large metropolitan areas. Ever notice flight prices seem to rise the more you search? Some believe that websites track your searches and increase prices accordingly. While the evidence is mixed, it doesn't hurt to use your browser's incognito or private browsing mode when searching for flights. This prevents cookies from storing your search history and may help you see the lowest available fares. It's a simple trick that could save you money with just a click. Don't overlook budget airlines when searching for cheap flights. These carriers often offer significantly lower fares than traditional airlines, especially on short-haul routes. While amenities may be limited and extra fees can add up, the base price is usually hard to beat. Always compare the total cost, including baggage and seat selection, to ensure you're truly getting the best deal. Sometimes, flying budget can make your dream trip possible. Sometimes, booking 2 one-way tickets with different airlines can be cheaper than a round-trip ticket with a single carrier. This approach, known as mix and match or hacker fares, allows you to combine the best deals from multiple airlines. Many flight comparison sites offer this feature automatically. Just be sure to check baggage policies and layover times, as you may need to recheck your bags or switch terminals between flights. If you have a travel rewards credit card or participate in frequent flyer programs, don't forget to use your points and miles. Redeeming these rewards can significantly reduce or even eliminate the cost of your flight. Keep an eye out for special promotions and bonus offers that can help you earn points faster. With a little planning, your everyday spending can turn into free or discounted airfare, making travel more accessible than ever. Traveling during holidays, school vacations, or major events usually means higher airfare. If possible, plan your trips during off-peak times when demand is lower. Not only will you find cheaper flights, but you'll also enjoy less crowded airports and a more relaxed travel experience. Flexibility with your travel dates can help you avoid the rush and save big on your next adventure. Sometimes, booking a flight with a layover or even 2 separate tickets can be cheaper than a direct flight. Consider flying into a nearby city and taking a train or bus to your final destination. This approach requires a bit more planning, but can lead to significant savings, especially on international routes. Always factor in the total travel time and any additional transportation costs before booking. Airlines often announce flash sales and exclusive deals through their newsletters. By signing up, you'll be among the first to know about limited time offers and special promotions. Some deals are only available to subscribers, so it's worth taking a few minutes to join your favorite airlines' mailing lists. Just be sure to check your inbox regularly so you don't miss out on a great fare. Social media is another great way to stay updated on airline promotions and last-minute deals. Many airlines post special offers on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. By following your favorite carriers, you can catch deals that might not be advertised elsewhere. Turn on notifications for instant updates and never miss a chance to save on your next flight. If you're a student or under a certain age, you may qualify for special discounts on flights. Many airlines and travel agencies offer reduced fares for students and young travelers. Check with organizations like STA, Travel, or Student Universe, and always carry your student ID when booking. These discounts can make travel more affordable and open up new opportunities for adventure. Regional airlines often offer lower fares than major carriers, especially for short-haul or less popular routes. These smaller airlines may not appear on every search engine, so it's worth checking their websites directly. By considering regional options, you can sometimes find hidden gems and save money on your journey. When booking for a group, try searching for one ticket at a time. Airlines often sell tickets in fare classes, and if there's only one seat left at the lowest price, booking multiple tickets together may bump everyone up to a higher fare. By booking individually, you can sometimes secure at least 1 or 2 seats at the lowest price before the fare increases for the rest. Some travelers believe that clearing your browser's cookies and cache can help you find lower fares. While the impact is debated, it's worth a try if you notice prices increasing after repeated searches. Clearing cookies removes stored data that might influence the prices you see. Combine this with incognito mode for the best chance at unbiased results. Sometimes, booking a flight in a different currency can result in a lower price due to exchange rates or regional pricing differences. Many airline websites allow you to change the currency or country setting. Before booking, compare the final price in your local currency and in the airline's home currency to see if you can save a few extra dollars. Error fares occur when airlines accidentally publish tickets at a much lower price than intended, often due to technical glitches or human error. These deals don't last long, so act fast if you spot one. Websites and forums dedicated to flight deals can help you find these rare opportunities. Just remember, there's always a small risk the airline may cancel the ticket, but more often than not, they honor the fare. While online booking is convenient, travel agents sometimes have access to special fares or package deals not available to the public. They can also help you navigate complex itineraries or group bookings. If you're planning a complicated trip or just want expert advice, consulting a travel agent could save you both time and money. Sometimes, booking your flight together with a hotel or rental car as part of a package can lead to significant savings. Many travel websites offer discounts when you bundle services. Even if you don't need a hotel for your entire stay, check if adding one for a night or two reduces the overall cost. Package deals can be a smart way to stretch your travel budget. Many airlines and travel agencies offer exclusive deals through their mobile apps. Downloading these apps can give you access to app-only discounts, flash sales, and real-time notifications about price drops. Some apps even let you track flights and manage bookings on the go, making your travel planning more convenient and affordable. Before booking, search for promotional codes or coupons that can be applied to your flight purchase. Many airlines and travel sites offer discounts for first-time users, newsletter subscribers, or during special sales events. A quick online search can sometimes uncover a code that saves you a significant amount on your ticket. Red-eye flights, which depart late at night and arrive early in the morning, are often less expensive than daytime flights. These flights may not be ideal for everyone, but if you're willing to sacrifice a bit of comfort, you can save money and maximize your time at your destination. Plus, airports are usually less crowded during these hours. Don't rely on just one website for booking your flights. Different booking platforms may have access to different fares, and some may offer exclusive deals or discounts. Compare prices across several sites, including the airline's own website, to ensure you're getting the best possible price. Airfare prices can sometimes be lower when booked from a different country or time zone. Some travelers use VPNs to change their virtual location and access region-specific deals. While this doesn't always work, it's worth experimenting with different time zones and locations to see if you can find a better price. Hidden city ticketing involves booking a flight with a layover in your actual destination and skipping the final leg. While this can sometimes save money, it comes with risks. Airlines may penalize you, and you can't check bags. Use this strategy cautiously and only when you fully understand the potential consequences. Some airlines offer free or discounted stopovers in their hub cities, allowing you to visit an extra destination for little or no additional cost. Take advantage of these programs to explore more places and potentially save on airfare. Check with airlines like Icelandair, Turkish Airlines, or Singapore Airlines for their stopover offers. If you're a senior traveler, you may be eligible for special discounts on flights. Many airlines offer reduced fares for passengers over a certain age. Always check the airline's website or call customer service to inquire about senior rates before booking your ticket. Some airlines and booking sites offer discounts for using specific payment methods, such as certain credit cards, PayPal, or even cryptocurrency. Before finalizing your purchase, check if you can save by choosing a particular payment option. Every little bit helps when it comes to reducing travel costs. If you're traveling with a large group, some airlines offer special group rates or discounts. These deals may require a minimum number of passengers and advance booking. Contact the airline's group travel department to inquire about available offers and see if you can save on your group trip. Many airlines offer discounts for active duty military personnel and veterans. These fares may not be advertised, so it's important to ask directly or check the airline's website. Be prepared to show proof of service when booking or at check-in to take advantage of these special rates. Cashback and rebate websites can help you earn money back on your flight purchases. By booking through these platforms, you can receive a percentage of your ticket price as a rebate. Popular sites include Rakuten, Top Cashback, and airline-specific programs. It's an easy way to stretch your travel budget even further. Some airlines and booking sites offer price guarantees, promising to refund the difference if you find a lower fare after booking. Always read the terms and conditions, and keep an eye out for these guarantees when shopping for flights. They can provide peace of mind and ensure you're getting the best deal possible. Flash sales are limited-time offers that can save you a lot on airfare. Airlines and travel sites often announce these sales with little notice, so it pays to stay alert. Sign up for alerts, follow airlines on social media, and check deal websites regularly to catch these fleeting opportunities. If you're flexible and spontaneous, last-minute deals can offer huge savings. Airlines sometimes slash prices to fill empty seats close to departure. Check airline websites, apps, and deal aggregators for these offers. Just be ready to pack your bags and go at a moment's notice. Sometimes, booking 2 one-way tickets is cheaper than a round-trip fare, especially if you mix airlines or airports. Always compare both options before booking. This strategy can also give you more flexibility with your travel plans and help you find the lowest possible price. If you're traveling with children, check if airlines offer discounted fares for kids. Some carriers have special rates for infants, toddlers, or young children. Always read the fare rules and ask about child discounts before booking your family's tickets. Many flight search engines offer flexible search tools that let you view prices across a range of dates or destinations. Use these features to spot the cheapest days to fly or discover unexpected deals to new places. Flexibility is your friend when it comes to finding the lowest fares. Some airlines and credit cards offer companion fares, allowing a second passenger to fly for free or at a reduced rate when you purchase a ticket. These deals are often tied to loyalty programs or credit card promotions. Read the terms carefully and see if you qualify for a companion fare on your next trip. Low-cost flights often come with extra fees for checked bags, seat selection, and other services. Always read the fine print and factor in these costs when comparing fares. Sometimes, a slightly higher ticket price with more included amenities is actually the better deal. Airlines often run seasonal promotions tied to holidays, festivals, or special events. Keep an eye out for these limited-time offers, which can provide deep discounts on select routes. Signing up for newsletters and following airlines online will help you stay informed about upcoming sales. Meta search engines like Momondo and Skyscanner aggregate results from dozens of booking sites, helping you find the lowest fares across the web. These tools often uncover deals that individual sites might miss. Always double-check the final price before booking, as some meta search engines redirect you to third-party sellers. Finding cheap flights is all about flexibility, research, and timing. By using the strategies we've covered, like comparing prices, setting alerts, and staying open to different routes, you can save big on your next trip. Remember to factor in all costs, read the fine print, and act quickly when you spot a deal. With these tips in your travel toolkit, you're ready to explore the world without breaking the bank. Safe travels and happy flight hunting!